Hi guys, as you can see, I'm now outside right now with the dog. It's my routine every 5 o'clock. I walking with this dog. Just run around. This is the surroundings, guys, where I walk with the dog. You see the back, you see the building. They're not hotel high. This is a house. HDB house. Buses in Singapore, even if have COVID, still continue having service for the passengers. There's a bird also here, like in Cathedral, Tagbilaran City. So now, guys, I crossing the road. I going to the park. This is the house I work is near with the park. So mostly I went there, but now it's having a COVID, so I choose to walk at the back. Park is very hyper. Maybe because he just always at home. Very rare going outside because of COVID. And now he wants to walk more and more. I forgot to bring water. I observe these plants, huh? Every time summer, they're giving lots of flowers. You see? It's very nice to look, you see? Badminton court still closed. Guys, I'm here now in the park. As you can see, this one. How familiar this one? I think this one is many in my village. I show you.